Spirit, can you see my light?
Our light.
Come on through. Can you see my light?
If you want.
Hey everyone, it's Ron at Spirit Max Paranormal. Today we're testing out the new updated Hope Spirit Box app. Let's see if spirits like it, what updates have been done, and if they find it easier to use. Hey everyone, the Hope Spirit Box app would be my choice for beginners just starting out with spirit communication. First of all, it's free, so there's no risk involved, and it includes everything that you need to start out with if you've never done spirit communication before. When you open up the app, you're brought to a welcome screen. It has an instructional video, as you can see here. It also has one of the most important things you can have on an app. It has a built-in recorder. Recording your sessions is probably the most important thing you can do when doing a session. When you record a session, you probably are going to miss about 80% of what spirits will say because they speak fast. And quite honestly, it's just hard to hear because you're probably concentrating on the next thing you want to say. It's always best to do the recording, go back and review it, slow it down if you have the ability to do so, and you'll be amazed at all the things you hear that you didn't hear while going live. The updated app here includes, from what I understand, updates to the different voice tracks, the spirit banks. When starting a session, I found that it usually takes maybe 3 or 4 minutes, sometimes even longer, before spirits start to come through. Once you establish your connection, your intentions, spirits will start coming in and they'll start speaking to you if they choose to do so. And here's the thing, this is just a tool. This tool will only work if you have an established connection to spirit. This app allows spirits to manipulate the sound banks contained within the app to form words, to express their opinions, to tell you what they want to tell you. So when you first start out, it may take you a month or two before you start receiving responses. It took me about 3 or 4 weeks. Some receive responses sooner, some later. The point is, don't be discouraged if you don't receive responses immediately. Also, when starting a new session, even with those that are experienced, when starting a session, you probably won't hear anything when you first begin the session. All right, let's turn this on here. What we're going to do is, first of all, select the audio bank we want to use. This is just a general session, so we're going to use the first one, man and woman mix. We leave the reverb on as the default setting. Now, normally I would hit record, but since we're taping this, there's no need to do that because, of course, the video recorder is recording the audio. So let's see if we can connect to anyone. Hello, hello, this is Ron. As always, I come to you as a friend. I come with love and respect. I come in peace. I come with light and love. I just wish to communicate with any kind, loving spirit that wishes to do so. I'm asking my guides to help any spirits to communicate that need assistance. And of course, as always, I'm asking for protection from Archangel Michael, from all evil and demonic entities. Are there any spirits here with me today? Hello, this is Ron. Who's here? Come on through. By the way, you'll notice when I'm using this app, you only open the sound gate for a short period. That allows the voices to come through. You asked your question. You open the gate, then close it again.
the thought thing.
Who's here with me today? Please come through.
Let me know the bubble.
Can you all tell me who's here? Which of my guides are helping today? Ava, are you here? Bob and Dave, are you with us today in the house? Where are you? Are you in the light? Have you found the light? Spirits, can you see my light? Come on through. Can you see my light? How many are here watching now? We're recording. Please step forward and give your messages. What messages do you have for the living? Do you have advice for the living on Earth? Can you see me? Can you tell me what color shirt do I have on? Can you tell me what color shirt I'm wearing? Are there still more spirits coming into the room? I see a number of spirits waiting at the door. Thank you. Thank you for helping me with this session. Spirits, do you like this app? Is it easy for you to use? Is there anything that they could do to improve the app? Spirits, what can you tell me, or what are you allowed to tell me about world events, in particular the war in the East? Is this war going to continue to escalate? Is the United States getting involved in this war? Is there anything else you'd like to tell us? Spirits, do you have any advice for me personally?
Snail. Thank you.
What should I be doing? At one time you said I should go to the light. Will I be going to the light soon? Where is the Lord? Have you been with Jesus? Have you seen Jesus?